Hello, I would like to show you how to mark your site boundary and existing assets within the Transcend design generator. After you've selected your location on the map, you can start to mark your site boundary by selecting the site boundary drawing tool located on the left-hand side of your screen. You can choose to either draw a polygon or a rectangle. Then mark the land available for your plant. This is important because the civil documents will take into account the land available when placing assets. Once you close your shape, it will appear with a red line indicating that your site boundary is marked. Now, to mark your existing assets, you will select the assets one by one, located on the left-hand side of your screen, and mark where they are within your site boundary. The software takes into account the number of each asset, the type, the volume, the surface area, and the depth that you indicate on a previous page. We'll start by marking the biological trains with a rectangular shape. After that, I will mark the primary clarifiers using the circular shape. Now I will mark the secondary clarifiers also using the circular shape. There is also a copy and paste function that you can use to ensure that the assets marked are the same size. You can do this by selecting the copy tool at the top of the map. Select the asset you would like to copy. Once it turns red, drag and drop to the next asset. I will now do this for the remaining clarifiers. Now that all of my existing assets are marked, I have the option to add a no build zone. I can do this by selecting Add No Build Zone on the left-hand side of my screen. These are good for things like administration buildings, underground utilities, etc. For example, I will mark this building as an admin building so that no assets are placed over it. After you've selected your site boundary, existing assets, and your no build zones, you can hit next and continue with your design.